Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Monday, the 20th of April. Beautiful sunny day, guys. The bars are packed. Temperature today, 24-25 degrees on the app, but I would say it's a lot warmer today, guys. I would say it's going to be more in the 30s today. Really warm. Everybody's out enjoying the sun, making the most of the weather. Let me know where you're watching from today. Are you enjoying the videos, guys? Hit the like, hit the share. Make sure that you hit the subscribe as well, so that you always get notified when I upload more great content, guys. Please make sure that you hit the like, hit the share. Make sure that you hit that subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel.